Hello, today I am going to deliver a lecture on drugs containing glycosides. Today we will discuss two drugs. First is Dioscorea and second is Brahmi. So we start with the Dioscorea. Synonym Yam, and Hindi we call it as Pitalu. Biological source. It consists of tubers of the plant Dioscorea deltoidea and Dioscorea composita belonging to family Dioscoreaceae. Geographical source. This plant grows in Nepal, India, China, and in India it grows in J&K, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and West Bengal. Macroscopic characters. Color is light brown, odor is odorless, taste bitter, shape cylindrical tubers. Size is variable size. There are different size of the tubers. Now the chemical constituents of the drug. The chief constituent of the drug is a steroidal sapogenin named as diosgenin, which is present up to the concentration of 4 to 5%. The glycoside of steroidal sapogenin like smilagenin, epismilagenin, and beta isomer yamogenin are also present. The drug also contains an enzyme known as sapogenase. The glycoside diosgenin is used in the pharmaceutical industries for the production of steroidal drugs. Diosgenin is the hydrolytic product of saponin glycoside diosine. Uses of the drug. In pharmaceutical industries, diosgenin is used as a precursor for the production of steroidal drugs like corticosteroids, oral contraceptives, and sex hormones. The drug is also used in the treatment of rheumatic arthritis. So this was Dioscorea. Next drug is Brahmi. Synonym Indian pennywort, Manduk Parni. These are the two synonyms of Brahmi. Biological source. It consists of fresh or dried herb of Centella ascitica belonging to family Umbelliferae. Geographical source. This plant grows in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Australia, Africa, China, Madagascar, etc. Usually in the places, usually at the moist places, and up to an elevation up to 600 meters. Macroscopic characters. Color. The color is grayish green. Odor is characteristic. Taste is acrid sweet. It is a herbaceous and creeping plant. Leaves are reniform in shape. The size of the leaf is 1.3 to 6.3 centimeter in diameter. Flowers are pink and sessile. The stem is long and show internodes. Chemical constituents of the drug. The drug contains triterpenoid saponin glycoside, namely acetylcoside and medicasoside. If the hydrolysis of acetylcholine is done, then it yields acetic acid, two molecules of glucose, and one molecule of rhamnose. And on the hydrolysis of medicaoside, it yields medicacic acid and two molecules of glucose and one molecule of rhamnose. These two saponin, acetylcholine and medicaoside, are the alpha amyrine derivatives, and our sugar is attached on the carboxyl group. Besides this, the drug also contains flavones, camphorol, and quercetin and their glycosides. Now the uses of the drugs. Brahmi, as you know, Brahmi has gained a lot of importance as brain tonic. It is also used in the treatment of leprosy, skin diseases, and syphilis. The drug also possesses the tranquilizing property. It also possesses the spasmolytic, sedative, and anti-amoebic properties. Thanks. Take care.